Section 2.5 Survey Problems. This section we covered two objectives. The first one is to use the Venn diagrams to visualize a survey's results. And the second one is to use the survey results to complete Venn diagrams and answer questions about the survey. There are three steps in solving survey problems. The first step is to use the survey's description to define sets and draw a Venn diagram. And number two, step two, use the survey's results to determine the cardinality for each region in the Venn diagram. Start with the intersection of the sets or the innermost region and then work outward. Number three, or the last step, use the completed Venn diagram to answer the problem's question. Example 1. Some of the results of the campus blood drive survey indicated that 490 students were willing to donate blood, 340 students were willing to help serve a free breakfast to the blood donors, and 120 students were willing to do both. As you see the Venn diagram provided, this is a completed diagram, and I'll explain in a little bit. As we define the set, let set A be the set of students willing to donate blood. Set B, set of the numbers willing to serve breakfast to donors. So this part is a part of defining set. And to draw the Venn diagram, starting with the innermost part, which is the one that has common member or the both part. As you created the Venn diagram or construct the Venn diagram, the region 2 is the common region. The common region means the region for the intersection or the term both in English. The 120 students were willing to do both. So we start with the number 120 and then work outward. As A represents the set of the students willing to donate blood, the total of the number of students donate blood is 490. Therefore, the rest of the region A, I'm going to put here the A covers region 1 and region 2. Set B covers region 2 and region 3. Region 2 only 120. So then region 1 is from subtracting 490 by 120. And that's how we get 370 as a cardinality for the region 1. And similar to the region 3 in set B, region 3 is part of the total number, which is 340. Then the region 3 is represented by the number 340 subtracted by 120. That's why we get 220 as the cardinal number for the region 3. And from this completed diagram, we're going to answer the questions. For part A, ask how many students were willing to donate blood or serve breakfast. Pull out the key term. The key term is the term or. Or means the union. So I'm going to put a note here. Or means union. Donate blood and serve breakfast. Or the other way, we are looking for the cardinality of the union of set A and B. And for this case, we're going to have the members from the region 1, region 2, and region 3. And from the region 1, 370, region 2, 120, region 3, 220. So the total would be 710 for the answer in part A. In part B, ask how many are willing to donate blood but not serve breakfast. So highlight the key term, but not, and the donate blood represented by the set A, and serve breakfast is set B. Another way we can say we're gonna find the n of the members in the A, but in not in B. So I'm gonna write this way instead. So let's put it in here. So in A, not in B. If we use the number of the region in A, not in B, gonna be just the region one. And in the region one, there are 370 students. In part C, how many were not willing to do either? The other way we can say, we can look at other region outside of the A and B. So we look for the region 4. And in region 4, the number is 290.